Music fuels the mind and thus it fuels our creativity. So listening music is one of the important habit in life, but you don't have any kind of audio peripheral for it, and you are finding that one earphone that justifies its price in both sound and build quality. What's up guys, Karan here, and today we have Piston Fit from 1MORE. So without wasting any more time, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So before starting the video, I want to thank 1MORE for sending me this product for a review purpose. Okay, so talking about the price, you will get these earphones at just around Rs 800 from Amazon. Links are in the description below. So let's quickly unbox the earphone and get them into work. Opening up the box, you will get to see the earphones itself, then a manual guide, and at last some extra earbuds. Pretty minimal packaging, right? Now the first thing that caught my eyes was obviously the build quality, and I never expected that much great build in an earphone. It feels very premium and strong. Talking about the wires, it's good but not great, so keep that in mind. Overall the build impressed me a lot. Now here you will get to see stereo sound, soft earbuds, and an inline remote control. And yeah, a 3.5mm gold plated jack too. Here you will also get to see a cable strain relief, which is a plus point. Now I personally used this earphones for hours, and being lightweight, it feels great. It is also very comfortable and are totally worth the price. Talking about the pros, I have to say the build of this earphone is very great. Even the looks are also very beautiful. Moving towards the cons, I feel the sound quality is not that much great. The vocals are bit muffled and the bass is bit high. And also the wire feels bit flimsy. Except that, it is totally great. Now if you ask me should you buy these earphones, then I will probably suggest you to go for it. This is one of the best earphones you can get at the price tag of around Rs 800. Best Buy link is in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like the video or the earphones, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, links in the description below. With that being said, this is Karan signing off. I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, have a great day. Peace.